So I'm discuss today topic about that how to create the Facebook instream video ads to promote your website and YouTube channel purpose. These are complete for instream video ads. Suppose this I'm showing for this image will be here. Anyone who can play the video, we can show any type of ads will be showing. That the ad will be 6-second video ad. So how we can showing for my video for other videos, that is called instream video ads. How you can create the ads to promote your website and YouTube channel purpose. First of all, I'll show the two steps with the page and with the Facebook manager option. Go to Facebook page option here. They coming to the video will upload for in this here. In this video, we can promote it directly for boost post option. Here, get more people to watch your video. Here the option will be there. No button, shop now, book now, learn more, sign up, get direction, send message and send a WhatsApp message. If I click for learn more, you can adding for website link or YouTube link, anything will be happen here. So right now here I'm adding for website link will be here. The showing for learn more option. After that, people will be choose this here. You can selecting for age option. Where you can target. If you target for total India, you can target by total India also will be there. So here in this, here will be option will be set by any people will be search. I'm searching for interest option, digital marketing. Search engine optimization. Here, social media marketing, not for job. There only we can select for interest option. Yeah, only we can selecting for interest. You're not posting for employment or job title. If we posting job, we can go for employment or job title option. Interest. After this one, we are selecting only for gender, male or female, age, location selecting for total India. After selecting for interest option, total this is a targeting persons. Save. After that, they're showing for your budget. So here, I'm go to for 400. The reach will be 2300 to 6700 per day will be reach for people's here. Up to we can reaching for is a per day. The budget will be here. So coming to this, I can go with the budget. Minimum starting for 80 rupees. 460 to 1300 people per day will be reach. It will run by 4 days ending here. 20 rupees per day. We not like this. We can go with 200. Minimum running for 4 days. Daily how much will be spending for 55 rupees here. So right now account balance will be 0. We have to add the account balance will be. Along with the tax, they will be charged for 259 rupees total for 4 days here. So they give from condition here. The minimum budget you have to spending for 75 rupees per day. That mean by 76 rupees per day you have to spend. Sorry, I'm increasing. Here. When I go to 3 and also not accepted. But minimum running format is 4 days. This option will be given by the 4 days. Why? Because we can't change any option will be here. And connect and chat with the potential customer. Chat with your potential customer. We can give the chat and message for potential customer purpose. But what I'm looking for, you keep my video, learn more for my website. So website is not required. I can go to my YouTube channel. Paste by the YouTube channel link. Done. And YouTube channel link adding time, they have 2 types are there. With the channel name will be there. Or else one more type is there. I'm adding here. This is the way we can add the link. Don't forget, after your channel ID or your name, question mark, sub underscore, confirmation is equal 1. What the purpose is called? When people will be, is a newcomers, add your channel. They get the notification to subscribe our channel here. The people get the notification option. That is called ad will be like this. Here, learn more option. You can promote your YouTube channel or you can promote in your website. Anything will be possible. So right now I'm promoting for website here. So audience will be automated placement. If you go manual placement, selecting for Facebook, Messenger and Instagram, which is not required, you can remove it and accept it. And I have the question mark is there. My ad visible by how many places? They will check for here, desktop feed, mobile news feed, Instagram. You're showing for learn more option, Instagram stories, Facebook in-stream videos. See here. What I'm discuss? Facebook in-stream video ads, desktop and mobile. So what are my question? Facebook in-stream ads. The showing will be like this. See here. This is called mobile. This is for desktop. In-stream video ads will be showing for desktop and mobile also. Now here, don't go with the fix with error and click for boost option. I can go with minimum 350. So right now you got an error. No worry about that. That is called add your budget. Now your budget will be 0. So now how much budget will be here? Daily, how much you're spending for 100 rupees per day you're spending. The reach will be 2300 to 6500. The reach will be particular option. The running for 4 days. What the error will be? Your account amount will be 0. And target customer age. Now done. YouTube link done. Everything done. Now click for boost post. Where you can show this ad in your show your front end of your Facebook page option. Boost post. So add your budget. So right now I'm not adding. Now is a skip option. If you add the budget, you can add the budget along with this option, or else you can skip the option. This video ad will be showing for where? Facebook video ad and Instagram, mobile and desktop options. Don't forget the options. These are the particular options. And one more thing guys, once boost post will be done, don't click for second time. Click the boost post option. Just I'm close here. Where you can check the ad, go to ad center. Right now in review option will be there. Some people ask me one question, sir, my video will be not showing for boost post option. Simple thing, we have the option will be there, that is called promote. In this option name is called get more video views. Here we can select this option, add this option here. See this Facebook in-stream video for desktop and mobile version. This we can creating for through Facebook page option. Second thing is called Facebook Messenger option. Sorry, Facebook Manager. They go to facebook.com/manager. This will be total for, I mean by R will be silent. They're selecting for manage. Facebook.com/manage option. In this ad manager, so right now is creating ad. So now showing for account error. Why? Because I'm not adding the budget. Create. In this, select the video views and continue. You can select the all options here. Next. Same will be selected here. In these options, your particular video will be selected here. After click for next. Right now I'm not adding any option, just I'm showing the particular things here. Selection time, add video. In the particular ad video, select it and start the video option. So this is the we can creating for backend of the Facebook manage option. Only thing is called when you're creating ad time, your selected audience, age wise, location wise, and priority where you can show that your Facebook ad, Facebook and Instagram, and the option will be called Facebook stories, Instagram stories, Facebook page, Instagram page, and a major thing is called Facebook in-stream video ads that will be showing for desktop and mobile option. Always remember, Facebook in-stream video is nothing but somebody video will be play, our ad will be showing the in between the video time. That is called Facebook in-stream video ads. They're showing for where? Facebook and particular Instagram option. So this is where you can creating for particular Facebook in-stream video I will be creating for through Facebook page through Facebook manager option.